Morning market. Selling fruit teaches math and smiles. Every morning, the sun rose slowly over the small town, and a soft golden light filled the streets. The morning market opened early, and people came with quiet steps, sleepy faces, and warm smiles. In the middle of the market stood a young boy named Amir. He was only 15, but he already helped his mother sell fruit every day. Their fruit stall was small, but it was colorful and bright. Red apples, yellow bananas, green grapes, and orange peaches filled the table and made the air sweet. Amir liked mornings. He liked the sound of people talking, walking, and laughing. He liked the smell of fresh bread from the bakery beside them. Most of all, he liked helping his mother. She always said, "Work with love, and life will smile back at you." Amir believed her. One morning, Amir stood behind the stall and looked at the fruit. He counted the apples again, just to be sure. There were 20 apples, but he wanted to practice his math. He whispered to himself, "If I sell 5 apples, I will have 15. If I sell 10, I will have 10 left." Counting made him feel smart, and it made the work fun. Soon the first customer arrived. She was an old woman with kind eyes. She picked up some grapes and smiled. "Good morning, Amir. How much are these grapes?" Amir smiled back. "Good morning, Auntie. One bag is 50 Afghanis." She looked at her money and said, "I only have 45. Can you help me?" Amir thought for a moment. He wanted to be fair, but he also wanted to be kind. Then he said, "You can take them. 5 Afghanis is not a big problem today." The old woman's smile grew wide, and her eyes became soft with happiness. She touched his shoulder gently and said, "You will have a good life, my son. A kind heart is a rich heart." Amir felt warm inside. He liked making people happy. After she left, he counted the money again. "We sold 1 bag of grapes," he said quietly. "Now we have 19 left." Even simple numbers made him feel proud. As the sun got higher, more people came to the market. A man bought 6 apples for his children. A little girl came with her mother and asked for just 1 banana, please. Amir gave her the biggest one, and she laughed with joy. A young couple bought grapes and peaches, and they held hands while choosing the best fruit. While helping everyone, Amir learned something new. He learned that math was not only in school. It was in every coin, every fruit, every smile. He used addition when people bought more fruit. He used subtraction when the fruit on the table became fewer. He used multiplication when someone wanted 3 bags, please, and he used kindness when someone needed help. At noon, the market became quieter. The sun was warm, and birds flew over the rooftops. Amir's mother brought him a cup of tea and said, "You worked very well today. You are becoming better and better." Amir smiled sadly. "I like learning math here. It feels different. It feels real." His mother nodded. "Yes, real life is the best teacher. And you have something more important than math. You have a good heart." By the end of the day, most of the fruit was gone. Only a few apples and bananas were left. Amir counted the money they earned. It was more than yesterday. He felt proud, strong, and happy. As he closed the stall, the sky changed to soft pink. People were walking home, carrying bags, talking, and laughing. Amir looked around and felt something warm inside his chest. He felt that he learned something important today. He learned that a market was not just a place to buy things. It was a place to smile, to help others, to practice math, and to become a better person. It was a place where small acts of kindness made big differences. When they walked home, Amir held the empty basket and looked at his mother. "Mama," he said, "I think I want to learn more tomorrow." His mother smiled at him. "And tomorrow will teach you more, my son." They walked together under the soft evening light, tired but happy. Amir felt that every day at the morning market was a new story, a story of fruit, math, and smiles.